we're setting up 4 cameras around the whole property. One's gonna be somewhere here, pointing towards the driveway and the house.
The other one's gonna be here at from the house, pointing to the to the garage. You're gonna want this one basically from the start of the driveway, pointing all the way down the driveway.
And then there's one in the front yard.
One in the front door. Yeah.
Okay. Got some lips. Here's the camera face. And then this is pretty cool. This is like rubbery to make everything wireless. We have, I'm struggling right now. There you go. Solar panel.
Are you scanning through the front door?
Oh my god, here we go.
You have to take out the blue tip in front of them.
Please run for scan succeeded.
Yes! So the first camera, we're thinking of putting it right there. This guy. Shoes aren't just for feet. I don't know how to zoom on this camera, but let's try this one. Nope, that's not it.
Huh?
I don't know how to zoom. Is there even zoom on there? Oh! Yeah, I don't do camera. I see it now.
Yeah.
From down here, it doesn't look too far, but then like if it's like a big ass ladder.
Oh god.
I'm not spotting you, so don't fall.
Put that down. Camera.
Alright, go for it. Caressing it like a baby?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. There we are.